everybody, welcome back. It's Tasha here. I am here today and unfortunately I am filming a little later than I normally film. I'm trying to get the lighting accurate, but I'm not sure that I have it perfect. I apologize. I'm actually here with one of the quickest reviews ever. It is a new subscription box for this channel called mintMONGOOSE. So we'll jump into that in the details in just a minute. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. For those of you that are new here, my name is Tasha, and on my channel I do makeup unboxings, hauls, try-ons, anything related to makeup. So please consider subscribing. I upload Monday, Tuesday, and Fridays typically. This is actually a little different for my channel, so we're going to go ahead and jump in. I did this because, number one, I have very little jewelry. You guys hardly ever see me wear it, so I need to get better at that. But I also saw on Crazy Coupon Lady, a site which I love for those of you who are couponers and looking for a good deal, a deal for this mintMONGOOSE. And I have it pulled up on my webpage, and it is a jewelry subscription. And so the first one is 3 exclusive pieces of high quality jewelry with a retail value of $40. You can customize to do silver, rose gold, or gold jewelry, earrings, watches, whatever. And it is $15.99 a month. Or you can do the mintMONGOOSE Black, which is 4 exclusive pieces, retail value of $55 or more. Again, you can customize silver gold, rose gold, and it is $22.99 a month. However, with my coupon and everything, I got my first month free. I just had to pay for shipping. And so it comes in a very beautiful teal color package, which I think is super cool. There is a nice little thank you on the front of there with a mongoose on it, of all things. And then the package is super adorable. That is actually a wax seal with the ribbon around it. And I think that is so cute. So I haven't opened it yet. I am going to go ahead and open this. So you rip that wax seal off and it'll open everything up. It comes in, this is a texturized little mailer, sorry my brain, and they put a Werther's original in there. That's funny. And a little thank you card with some contact information on the back. I will link everything down below. I do think they have deals all the time where you can get really expensive boxes. But let's open this up. It is very well packaged. They have done a beautiful job with the packaging. Again, it's in that tealy color, and I can see a mongoose through here, so there's some kind of branding on it. There is a a mintMONGOOSE hooked to the packages of each of the items. Oh, that's hilarious. I don't know why I think that's so funny, but I think that's hilarious. Okay, let's try and open this up. So cute little packaging. It is in a sealed, like cellophane thing with the mintMONGOOSE on there, and then it is also sealed again in bubble wrap. So no lack of good cushioning and all that. I can't even get this open. Holy camole. Okay, so here is my first piece. So this is a thing you can make it longer or shorter. And then on the end of the chain, it is just a little emblem of a sun. Very, very cute. I like that. And the tassel hangs down at the back. This is actually at the back of the neck. This would be at the front of the neck. You can adjust how long it is. It's costume jewelry. I mean, you're not getting gold or silver or whatever jewelry. It is costume jewelry, but it's good quality. It doesn't feel super, super cheap. Again, it's a 3 items. So here is the next one. I did ask for at least 1 pair of earrings because that is typically what I don't have. You can see I hardly ever wear them. Next one, though, I can already see is another necklace here with my little mintMONGOOSE hooked to my packaging. And again, sealed on top of seals. And so this is it is a rose gold, again, adjustable chain so you can make it shorter or longer. And then on the, if I can get it to hang right, on the end here, it is a cream with embellished, I'm sure it's not diamonds, but you know, they're cubic zirconian or crystals or whatever right there, so that hangs down. So, and very cute. This is probably much more my style with the little sun emblem hanging down. This is just a little bit not quite me, but I think it's pretty. I will pass that along. That would be a great gift. And the last item is actually, I can already see what it is. It's matching earrings to that necklace. So let's open this up real quick. If I can get it open. And I'm going to go ahead and put them on because I would like a pair of earrings to wear. And so you can see they're just the matching circle. We're just going to put it right in and see what it looks like there. Nice little back that is very secure, and just a cute little dainty earring. I do have to be careful. Some, especially costume jewelry, some of the metals hurt my ears. So we'll have to see what happens with this. It feels a little funny already, so I don't know if my ears are going to be like, no, thank you. But super cute idea. I like the idea of it for getting the first box for like $5. I think that's an awesome deal. Again, costume jewelry, so we're not looking at, you know, $60, $70 value here. But super cute. I like it. What do you guys think? Are these the type of boxes you would like me to do? Do you want me to do all makeup focused? Do you want me to do some lifestyle, some jewelry, those kind of things? Drop me a line and let me know what you think, what your feedback is. What did you guys think of this box? I do love the branding, that mint mongoose. Just cracks me up. Just give me some feedback. Let me know what y'all think. Thank you so much for being here with me. I know this is not a typical review. I really appreciate it. Please stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.